Hello, this is the Runkel report, bringing you Kimberly Hively against Ivy Tech Community College. A case decided on April 4th in the 7th Circuit, which held that when Title VII says don't discriminate on the basis of sex, it also includes a prohibition against discriminating on the basis of sexual orientation. Now, this is a huge case. Why? Well, it's the first time any circuit court in the country has held that sexual orientation discrimination is included within sex discrimination. It was a decision by an en banc court, which means the entire group of 11 judges. It was an 8-3 decision, not even close, and it overruled previous cases within the 7th Circuit. So what happened was that Kimberly Hively filed a complaint in district court alleging that the employer had passed her over for some full-time jobs over and over due to her sexual orientation. And the trial judge said, hey, we're going to dismiss this case for failure to state a claim because Title VII just does not include discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation. And that's what courts have been saying for years all over the country with the whole court. And they used a couple of analytical methods that are really quite standard for employment lawyers these days. One's called the comparative method, or what I call the sex plus method. And what you do is you take the facts of the case and you keep all the facts exactly the same, except you change one. You change it from a woman to a man. So you say, well, a woman was discriminated against because she's sexually attracted to women. And then you change that and say, what if a man was treated the same way because he's sexually attracted to women? Well, we know the answer to that, and the court knew the answer to that. And they said that is discrimination based on what? Based on the sex. The other method they used was what's called, or what they called, the gender nonconformity method, or what a lot of people call gender stereotyping. And an example would be the employer tells the women that they need to wear makeup, and they tell the men that they can't wear earrings. And so that's sexual stereotyping, making an assumption that women are supposed to behave in a certain way and men are supposed to behave in a certain way that's different from each other. And so that's discrimination on the basis of sex. So using those two methods, the 8 judges out of the 11 decided that this discrimination, as alleged, not proved yet, was discrimination on the basis of sex, and if proved, would violate Title VII. So, my friends, the next stop, the Supreme Court of the United States. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.